Evening, this is Tim from Scott Country International. This is the Night Vision Show. Tonight, we're going to be out on a dairy farm. It's a new permission I've just picked up, and the lady tells me that she's infested with rats. So I've just stopped short now. I'm going to have a quick cup of tea in the truck while I wait for her to give me a message when she gets back. And we'll go over and scan around, see what we can find. I'll be out tonight with the Thermion 2 XP50 Pro LRF, zeroed in on top of my BSA Ultra 177. I'll be spotting with the Accolade 2 XP50 Pros. Both got laser range finding capability. I've got the Thermion zeroed in at 15 yards, 20 yards, 25 and 30. So I've got all them little profiles for various distances with the longer shots arise. Zeroed that in this afternoon, and that's bob on. So we'll see how it goes tonight. I'll be using the Rekon CT1 tripod to hold my air rifle in place, and then we'll have a mooch around the farm, see how we go. Right, evening. So just got back to the car. Had about 20 rats with the Thermion 2 XP50 Pro. Shot a lot of them. A lot of them are falling down the cavity of the wall. So it's coming up over the roof in the cavity of the wall. I was shooting them on the roof and there's going down the cavity of the wall. But I picked up 8. So it was a good night tonight. And you'll see from the footage there some tricky shots, some misses. It was quite tight shooting in the barn shed, the barn that had all like the grain hopper and stuff and like that. So rats were coming along the roof, trying to get across the eaves into the barn grain hopper, and that's where I was shooting them as I was trying to get into there. So all in all, good night on the new permission. It's got a bit of potential, and we'll see how we go. Cheers.